What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102523, and this is our Hellcat style front lip. Now this is for our Dodge Durango RT GT 2014 to 2025. Now, this is in our gloss black, which should pretty much match any car that you put it on. And it's a fairly simple install whenever installing it. As you see on the inside of the lip, you have these little tabs which simply just snap into place. And then after you have those snapped into place, you can go ahead and fully secure it to the bottom of the bumper by screwing it in place. Now, this doesn't come with included hardware. You'll use the original OEM hardware after removing your original OEM lip to finish installing this the rest of the way. Now, if you want to see more videos like this or more install videos, make sure to go check out our Vicrez YouTube channel and make sure to like and subscribe for more.